Fix in 5. P0428. Catalyst temperature sensor circuit low bank 2, exhaust temperature sensor medium severity. Here's what it means, what causes it, and how it's fixed. You can keep driving, for now. For now is doing a lot of work there. First, the symptoms. Check engine light, illumination, possible rough idle or reduced engine performance, potential increase in exhaust emissions. Now the most likely causes. Faulty catalyst temperature sensor bank 2. Wiring or connector issues in sensor circuit. Engine control module, ECM, malfunction. Exhaust leak affecting sensor reading. Here's how a pro pins it down. Read and confirm the stored DTCs with a compliant OBD2/E record freeze frame data at the time the fault was detected. Inspect the catalyst temp sensor and wiring visually for D. Check the sensor's resistance against OEM specifications. U. Test sensor signal voltage, ignition on, backprobe wiring. Inspect related fuses and relays, if applicable. How to fix it. Replace catalyst temperature sensor bank 2 if resistance/voltage out of spec. Repair or replace damaged wiring or connectors. Repair exhaust leak if identified. Reprogram or replace ECM if defective. The scanner and parts I'd use are linked below. What does it cost? Roughly €45, €120 doing it yourself, or €125, €200 at a workshop. Rates vary by country. How common is it? Reported on 0 models. People also ask, can I fix P0428 myself, DIY? Some repairs associated with P0428 are DIY friendly if you have basic mechanical skills and the right tools. However, professional diagnosis is recommended to confirm the root cause before purchasing. Quick one for the professionals. TroubleAtlas Pro is your whole workshop in one app. Get cited by AI when drivers nearby look for a pro, fast fault code diagnosis, full vehicle data from the VIN, parts and tire prices, and client management with PDF quotes. And one for the manufacturers. Make a device? Put it to the test. TroubleAtlas runs an independent evaluation on a fixed, public protocol, gives it an honest score out of 10, and an official seal you can license for your own marketing. We test the product, we never sell the score. And every certificate is verifiable on our site. Apply at TroubleAtlas.com/TroubleAtlas certified. That's P0428. The full guide and every related code are on TroubleAtlas, links below. Subscribe, new fixes every week, and keep your dashboard quiet.